Hi all, I'm DURKA MUNIANDY from Tuanku Bainun Institute of Teacher Education. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor's of Education with honors in Tamil language for primary education. I'm taking science as my elective course. Today, I would like to present about mock surgery improves understanding and interest in learning science. Science is the greatest collective endeavor. It really helps us to generate solutions for our daily problems. For example, we are able to get medicines for our health issues. Science also provides us with various ways for our environmental problems. For a human, it's very important to know about their human body systems, and it really needs to start from a young age. In this case, science teachers are playing a vital role in order to make the classrooms more interesting. In this study, I, as the teacher, decided to use mock surgery approach to teach my students regarding excretion and defecation, which includes the related organs. I had two objectives to conduct this study. First of all, I would like to increase my students' interest and attention in classroom. Usually, students are assuming that science learning is all about memorizing the facts. Actually, it's not. I wanted to change my students' perception and decided to use this method. This is because when they don't have interest, they automatically tend to lose their attention in class. Apart from this, I would like to enhance students' understanding on human excretion and defecation, which includes the related organs for a long term. This is because students tend to forget what they had learned in classroom in a very short time. So I just wanted to change this situation. Now we are going to see how I conducted the study. First of all, this study involves 20-year-4 students from a primary school in Penang. I prepared a miniature wrapped with a brown paper. The brown paper reflects human skin. In this case, students played the role as a doctor. Students conducted the mock surgery and took out the organs from the miniature. They identified the organs involved with the help of teacher. I taught the processes by using the organs that they extracted from the miniature. I also used a student as a model to explain the entire process. After finish explaining, I asked a few students from different levels to explain the process. I also asked questions to the slow learners to give answers. From this study, I found that mock surgery approach can make the students concentrate in classroom. This is because they made less noise and paid their full attention when I teach them the entire process. Apart from this approach had enhanced students' interest, attention, and curiosity to learn science. When I entered the class, the students were too curious why I had brought the miniature. Moreover, the students tend to ask lots of questions during the learning session. Apart from this approach has created a student-based classroom. This is because the surgery was fully conducted by the students, which made them to enjoy the lesson. Even the slow learners actively participated in the surgery. Other than that, all the students, especially slow learners, able to understand the lesson and explain the process correctly. This has proved when I asked a slow learner to explain the process, the student able to explain the process correctly with by labeling the correct organs involved. This is quite surprise for me as the slow learner have not been open his or her mouth during the lesson. So, this shows the year for pupils during the science learning. This is a group of slow learners completed the work given by myself during the class. They able to label the parts correctly. In a conclusion, I would say that mock surgery is a fun and effective way to teach human anatomy and other relevant processes. Teachers can use this approach in order to teach animals and plants too. Mock surgery approach can really enhance students' understanding and knowledge by make the classroom more interesting and can make the students more excited about the lessons. That's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears.